Minsan kasi sa simbang gabi, based on experience na rin, parang magugulat ka, ay nakompleto ko siya kasi merong poging sakristan na inaabangan ko. And Hallyu, they have this term called mga church opa. Mga church opa of this year. First, Kim So-yoon of Queen of Tears. Like, meron talaga siyang something na alam mong pwede mo siyang dalhin kay mommy, tas masasabi mo kay mommy na, opo, mommy, nagsisimba siya every Sunday. Hindi nga lang Sunday.
Correct.
And even his role in Queen of Tears, di ba? Medyo ganon. Very like, pure heart.
Holy.
Ganyan. Kaya yes, Kim So-yoon as the poging sacristan. And then the second one, it's Subin of TXT. Siya rin ang lakas ng church opa vibes niya. Pag titignan mo siya. Di ba? Parang alam mong napakabait niya. Tapos aalagaan niya yung buong pamilya mo. Ganon.
Nakikita ko siyang yung may dalang thingy.
Nung cross.
All white yung cross. Kasama yung mga kaibigan mo. Tapos pag-chichismisan mo siya. Alam mo yun?
Diba? Tapos may hawak siyang bell, tapos gaganyan-ganon niya yung bell. Tapos parang na-excite ka kasi nakikita mo yung braso niya. Kapag gumagano siya ng bell.
Correct!
Nagsimba pa kung ano iniisip.
1, 2, sarang! Hey!
Annyeong! This is Pia!
Hi, this is Monica.
Hello everyone! This is Trancy! And hindi po kayo nagkakamali. Ngayon po ay Christmas episode ng
Merry
1, 2,
Christmas!
Sarang!
Yes!
Woo!
Happy holidays!
Yes! Baka nagtataka kasi sila, bakit po sila naka-get up ng ganito? Tapos na po ang Halloween.
Anong get up?
Anong get up? This is our natural look.
I'm just
Actually, yung mga
comfortable. Ganon.
Yeah, yung mga nakikita nyo before, actually put on yun, costume yun. Ganito talaga kami in real life.
Totoong kami.
Oo, correct, oo. Pero sa mga nanonood sa amin at sa mga nakikinig dyan, manood na kayo, gusto namin munang ipahula sa inyo kung ano ang Korean wintertime food na suot namin. Ayan. Sige. Ako
Take a wild
magsisimula.
guess.
Di-describe ko yung sarili ko. So, I have red hair right now. Tsaka may mga pagkain po ako sa aking buhok.
Akala ko
po ako?
tamang panahon si Lola ni Dora.
I was going for Carmen, Carmen
San Diego? No.
Hindi San Diego, yung yung Latin American feisty woman.
I don't know.
Carmen
her.
Electra.
Sorry.
Basta siya. Yung
Carmen
Electra. Yung bouquet sa ulo. Oo, yan.
Pera ba yan?
Medyo orange po ang aking hair dahil nagkulang po ako ng gochujang. So, kung ang hula niyo po ay kimchi jjigae or budae jjigae, kayo po ay tama!
Yay!
Yes! Pero kulang ng gochujang. Medyo malabnaw. Nasobrahan ng tubig.
Correct.
Kaya
And then
nilagyan
kailangan
mo na
natin malaman.
atsuete.
Correct. Atsuete na lang. Exactly. Kaya natin malaman ko ano yung kay Pia naman bilang, she's giving polar bear vibes.
Yeah, like, I mean, come on. Di ba ganito naman ako magsimba? Ano?
Anong klaseng sect?
Dune.
Ganyan ka,
As Catholic,
Balot.
ganito lang ako. Pero
Correct.
mapapansin nyo, maputing, nakabalot akong puti, pero yung face ko mapula. Kasi, isa akong jinpang. At anong nasa loob ay yung red bean, kaya pula-pula. Ayan.
Correct.
Tanggapin ninyo, isa akong jinpang.
Yung jinpang mo medyo deflated ng slide. Pero
Oo nga, hindi ko na siya
tanggap.
mainit masyado
Oo.
kasi kung lalagyan ko dapat ng mga unan sa loob. Pero
Girl,
mainit,
wag.
guys.
Sobrang
Na.
Okay na.
Hindi ka na makakagalaw.
Oo, mahirap. Ang dami kong balak kanina. Tama na. Okay na to.
Gusto ko pa rin yan. O si Monica naman.
Well, ako yung hindi makagalaw. And I was very, very inspired by Maloy's ano yun? Lumpia. Actually,
Lumpia.
inspired itong aming dress up because of Beanie's Noche Buena. Kaya sabi namin, dapat tayo rin mag-food. And I think medyo obvious naman yung akin. I am Odeng and I come in a cup. Look.
Yeah.
And I
May
can't
sabaw
move.
din po yan, actually, sa loob.
Yeah.
Hindi lang kita. Mamaya may makikita yung tumatalsik na tubig. Sabaw ni Monica.
Or bigla na lang si Monica.
Or pawis.
Gaganyan.
Oo. Bilang hindi siya makainom ng tubig kanina.
I know.
Akala ko actually
Correct.
girl ship ka. Mukhang may mask eh. Parang sale. Mukha siyang sale.
Correct.
So, ayan po ang aming Noche Buena outfits for today. And of course, hindi lang siya Filipino. Kasi syempre, we are in the Hallyu world, di ba? So, kailangan medyo Korean influence din siya. Okay. Ang saya-saya. Medyo nahirapan. Bakit natin to ginagawa sa mga sarili natin? Bakit? Of course, para ma-entertain kayo, di ba?
Yes.
Yun naman ang
Or entertain
ating
ourselves.
point. And
Correct.
ourselves. Exactly. Correct. Okay, and as you have already heard, ito po ay aming Christmas episode! So, maagang Pasko po sa inyong lahat. I hope that you guys are preparing well for Christmas. We know it's very hectic right now kasi ang daming mga ganap, pero we will still stick true to what Christmas is. And for us Filipinos, hindi sa mga Korean, sa mga Pinoy, Christmas is usually about family, di ba? You get
Yes.
together. Ako, uwi akong province para to spend it with my parents, ganyan. And si Pia and Monica will also be spending it with their families. But what I want to ask them, and also you, Sarang Bay, since we're talking about Christmas being with family, can you share with us a memorable Christmas moment with your family? Kahit anong memory yan, masaya, nakakaloka, shocking, ganon. Give us the tea. Can we start with Mon? Do you have a Christmas story that you wanna make kwento?
Wala kaming masyadong we're like normal. Hindi naman normal. Actually, hindi. Baka hindi kami normal kasi walang ganap. Ganon. Pero,
okay.
siguro yung pwede bang fond memory na lang?
Yeah, go. A fond memory with the Sibyals.
Kasi hindi na siya ginagawa, pero dati nung bata ako. And I'm sure a lot of families do that too. Yung may presentation, tapos nag-ballet ako. O, diba? Ballerina pala ako nung bata ako.
Ikaw rin ba gumawa ng outfit mo dun?
Hindi naman. Yung nanay ko naman yung Pero naalala ko lang, it was me and my sister Mayan. So, she's the sister after me, after a brother. And parang, naalala ko lang na ang mean ko kasi sobrang bata pa niya yun. So, ako pa lang yung talagang marunong mag-ballet-ballet. Pero, funny story, siya ang naging dancer in real life. Ako hindi.
You became Odeng.
Oh,
It's your destiny.
so, I was so mean. Mean talaga. Pero, nagagalit ako sa kanya as in napaka-stage sister, performer, whatever. Kasi, malamang dahil bata siya, hindi niya nagagawa yung gusto kong mangyari sa staging, parang ganon. So, wala. Parang, I guess, meron pala akong inner Hoshi na gusto ko perfect. So, wala lang. So, during the performance, ang sama-sama ng tingin ko sa kanya dahil hindi siya marunong mag-plie, ganon. Wala lang.
Na-traumatize mo siya. I'm sure hanggang ngayon kinikare niya yun. Kaya sabi niya, I will be a dancer to prove to you that I can
Hindi ko
actually
na nga
dance.
may ibabalik yung kwento na yun kasi sobrang galing niya na dancer, guys. So, tas wala. I can't even bring that up because like, ano bang papakita ko, di ba? Siya yung magaling.
Oo. How about you, Pia? Do you have a Christmas memory naman?
Yeah, Christmas is huge in my family. I have a big family and we always have like all of these reunions and all of that. And growing up, it's always been like something talaga na I really look forward to every year. And that's why I wanted the same for my daughter. And nung isa sa mga nangyari, like nung bata pa siya, well, madami actually. Sige, 2 parts na yung story. Well, number 1, yung pag humingi siya ng gift kay Santa Claus. So, ayan na yung gift ni Santa. Tapos, humirit siya na, oh, Santa Claus also shops in Toys R Us. Sabi niya, kasi nakarap yung gift wrap ay Toys R Us. So, parang, yes, he does. Ganyan. Tapos, nung pagbukas niya nung regalo, may isa kami, kasi my daughter is not the type na nagpapabili. Even if we bring her to a toy store, never. There was just this one time, nakakita siya ng set na yung broom tsaka dustpan na pang bata. Hindi na niya binitawan. As in. So, na-excite ako kasi first time niya yun gawin as a kid. So, yun yung nirap ko na gift ni Santa. Tapos nung pagkabukas niya, as in, she was like 4 or 5, tas meron na siyang fake smile kasi alam kong hindi siya natuwa kay Santa dun sa regalo niya na yun. Ano, parang yung ngiti niya, parang kulang na lang magmura siya. Bakit broom, parang ganon.
Anong gusto mong sabihin sa akin, mother?
Oo, pag
May I
lilinisin
clean the
mo kong
house?
bahay.
Oh.
Pero naalala ko talaga nung nasa Toys R Us kami. As in, hindi niya binitawan. So, ayun lang. Ayun ang aking Christmas story.
Aww. On my end naman, kasi we don't really celebrate as a big family usually. So siguro recent kwento na lang. And real quick lang, and dahil sobrang laking memory na to because this is my fault. We were supposed, kasi yung sister ko kasi, she already moved to Singapore with her husband. So dapat doon kami yung papasko last year. But, ang trend si Kagaanan ay 2 days before the flight, nagka-COVID! So,
Oh, yeah.
Oo. So, ang nangyari dyan ay, nag-Christmas pa rin ako together with my parents. Pero, kumain kami sa kanilang hotel. Pero, nandun ako sa isang sulok. Tapos, kung hindi ako kakain, nakamask ako. Tapos, kung kakain sila, ako naman yung nakamask. Para at least, magkasama pa rin kami kahit
Safe.
papaano. Oo, yun. So, talaga, I mean, we tried. Hindi naman sila nahawa. Thank God. Pero, yun lang. Parang, kaya sa mga maglalabas din this season, di ba, marami tayong mga get-togethers, ingat po tayo, no? Kasi, kahit na hindi na po kasing lala ang COVID ngayon, nandyan pa rin po sila. So, let's take care of each other. Sila, maliliit na mga COVID.
Oo.
Correct.
Nakiki-Christmas.
Nakiki-Christmas! Correct. Oo.
Nakiki-reunion na po siya.
Reunion ba yun? A reunion of all the,
No.
of all the variations of COVID. Ayan. So, ito yung mga family memories po namin. And I'm sure sa mga nakikinig po sa amin ngayon, meron din kayong mga sari-sarili. And you also have people in your lives na parang, alam mong pag pumunta sa isang family reunion, talagang may stereotype na sila. Like, for example, Simon, atribidang kapatid.
Yes, that's me.
Si Mon Guevara.
Simon Guevara, yes. Si Pia naman, siya po ang family manager, no? So, siya po ay punong abala naman din, gano'n. So,
Lahat
at ako
yan, may
naman,
approval ko.
correct, kailangan. Hot. Pero nakaganyan siyang outfit.
Oo,
Kaya hindi siya,
ganito yung
hindi siya
punong
maseryoso
abala
ng mga
ko eh.
kapamilya. At ako naman, punong tigasira ng mga plano.
Oh.
So sad. Just for that year, though. Ayun. So, kaya naisip namin actually, we were talking about this episode, Hallyu is one big happy family, di ba? So, kung magkakaroon tayo ng malaking Christmas reunion as a Hallyu fam, alam mo yun, with all our Hallyu favorites of 2024, sino kaya ang pwedeng maging isang stereotypical Pinoy relative? We had a good time trying to think about this actually when we were meeting about this episode. Kasi nakakatuwa eh. Meron kasi talagang mga like characters from, not characters, the real people. Meron talagang mga figures from Hallyu na para talagang mga kamag-anak mo. Alam mo yun? So, ito ang ating pag-uusapan for today. Yan. In relation din to 2024. Kasi ang daming happening ng 24. Marami pong mga figures dyan na gusto nating pag-usapan this episode as we look back. So that's what we are gonna be talking about for today. Aside from that, we will also talk about Hallyu nga as a family. So looking back on 2024, I wanna ask the girls, what makes Hallyu feel like a family for you? Especially this year. And lastly, itong tanong namin, para din sa aming mga sarang base, sa mga sarili din namin, which Hallyu icon of 2024 would you choose to give a Christmas present to? And what would you give them? Okay, ano ba yung perfect gift na yan for this particular Hallyu favorite of yours? Diba? Magpapagaan ba sa buhay niya? Di natin alam. Mapapalapit ka ba sa kanya? Pag ibigay mo yun sa kanya? Malalaman po natin yan later. Okay?
Yeah.
So, for now, we go back to our first question. So, sino nga ba sa ating mga Hallyu faves ang isang stereotypical Pinoy kapamilya? Alam naman natin kung ano nangyayari sa isang big family reunion, di ba? Marami nangyayari. So, sisimulan ko na, di ba? The flurry bago mag-Noche Buena. Ang cookathon sa kusina. Di ba? Ang dami-daming tao, especially kung malaking pamilya kayo.
Yes.
Kayo ba may experience kayong ganun? Do you guys cook for your family pag Christmas?
Oh, yeah. Ako nga, kami ngang sisters ang assigned sa Christmas breakfast. So, merong Noche Buena tapos may Christmas breakfast pa. As in with the whole, hindi naman buong clan, pero the extended family. So, it is tiring. Oh my goodness.
It is extremely tiring. That is true.
I've given up on that because my mother is the atribidang tita. And I shall end
Ayun.
there.
Hi, tita! Para sa akin, ang mga punong abala sa Noche Buena ay, of course, my favorites from Culinary Class Wars. Oh my God! Can you imagine
Oh my
having
goodness.
a Noche Buena cooked by them?
By them? Oh
Holy
my goodness.
shit! Grabe!
Pero isa-isa lang, wag nating pagsama-samahin kasi baka mag-away-away sila parang no isang challenge. Di ba?
Correct.
Parang
Totoo yan.
hiwa-hiwalay na lang.
Oo. Tsaka dapat, I think, ilayo natin sa kanila si Pia as she is right now. Kasi mukha kang tokwa eh.
Oo nga, baka ako maano tofu hell.
Baka matofuhel ka.
Kagatin ako bigla ni Chef Edward Lee.
Shit! Kung ikaw, may question ako for Pia. Bilang, kunwari, tokwa ka ngayon. Sino sa mga chefs sa Culinary Class Wars ang pipiliin mong lutuin ka?
Chef Edward talaga, ang daming permutations.
Edward.
Like,
Correct.
talagang lahat ng reinventions.
Correct.
Oo.
Go.
Which
all
of
in
his
one
tokwa
day.
reinvention would you be as a tokwa?
Gusto kong maging yung dessert niya kasi matamis, kasi sweet, and then you look forward to it at the end of the meal.
Ano nga ba yun?
Tapos,
Di ba yung pinaka-last? Kasi parang nag-courses
Oo,
siya.
nag-dessert siya.
Correct.
Oo, nag-dessert siya.
Okay.
From
tama.
appetizer
Pero paano kung
to
gawin
dessert.
ka lang yung taho?
Okay lang. I
Oo.
love taho. And I'd be so
Correct.
kilig that he knows what taho is.
Correct.
Oo, actually, girl. Tsaka sweet pa din. 'Di ba? Bubusan ka
correct.
May
arnibal.
arnibal.
Yeah.
Oo. So yun,
May mga
I'm
sago-sago pa.
saying correct. And hina-highlight ko yung Culinary Class Wars during this discussion because it is really one of my favorite shows this year. As in talaga,
Yes.
oh my God. I mean, if you guys have listened to our episode on Culinary Class Wars, talagang we were all raves about the show. May mga parts pa din, of course. Syempre, we were
It wasn't perfect.
kind of critical about. It wasn't perfect, but it was such a great show. Alam mo yun?
Yes.
Iyakan
Really,
mode.
really great.
So,
So exciting
Kaya-
too.
Kaya sobrang saya. Ayun. Tinanong ko na si Pia kung ano kung iluluto siya as a tokwa. Pero ikaw, Monica, kung may maglulutong chef sa'yo, sino yun sa kanila?
Maglulutong chef shocks. That's a great question.
Mm-mm.
Pero sobrang favorite ko talaga si comic book chef. So,
Ah.
kasi very, very exciting yung pinanggagalingan niya. So, gusto ko malaman kung paano niya ako lulutuin. Pero, paano niya ako lulutuin? Pero, baka cool if ang reference niya ay mga Pinoy comics. Actually, hindi ko alam. Meron bang pagkain sa Pinoy comics?
Tsaka
Sa
odeng.
mga pug.
May odeng ba
Oo
dito sa
nga eh.
Pilipinas?
Oo nga eh.
Fishball na lang.
Fishball na lang, fishball.
Oo.
I'm sure
Parang
meron
same concept lang.
Yan.
Correct.
Jacqueline
Oo.
Jose.
Correct.
Oo, correct. So, ayun ang ating Noche Buena fanfare. Food fair, care of the Culinary Class Wars. Ayan. So, syempre yung Noche Buena, magsa-start yan. Maaga pa, di ba? As we all know. Di ba? Usually nga, the day before pa nagluluto na eh. Kung marami kayong papakainin. Pero, bago tayo mag-proceed sa Noche Buena, of course, as Filipinos, pupunta muna tayo sa simbahan. Partida ako, hindi ang tagal ko nang hindi nagsisimba. Hi. Pero I mean, I value that tradition. Oo.
Yeah.
And you're going to the church. And
Simbang
get-
gabi.
Simbang gabi. Ganyan, kailangan mo kumpletuhin para may
Correct.
mag-wish ka.
May wish. Oo.
Oo. Gosh, I remember nung college, no? Kasi di ba sa campus kasi namin may church eh. So parang may mga misa sa gabi.
Nagtitinda.
Oo, so may mga nagtitinda dun sa
Anticipated.
harap.
Yes, saya.
Sobrang saya ng mga ganun. Pero more than the food, I think for a lot of people, gusto nila magsimba kasi meron silang gustong makita. I pass the ball to Pia. Sino ang nakikita natin sa isang simbahan?
Minsan kasi sa simbang gabi, based on experience na rin, parang magugulat ka, ay nakompleto ko siya kasi merong poging sakristan na inaabangan ko
Correct,
na
correct.
laging lumalapit kay Father para tumulong. So parang in Hallyu, parang naisip ko, di ba they have this term called mga church opa. So nakita ko, mga church opa of this year, dalawa yung nilagay ko. First, Kim So-yoon of Queen of Tears. Like, meron talaga siyang something na alam mong pwede mo siyang dalhin kay mommy, tas masasabi mo kay mommy na, opo, mommy, nagsisimba siya every Sunday. Hindi nga lang Sunday
Correct.
Every day of the week, nasa simbahan yan. Kilala yan ni Father. Parang may ganun siyang vibe. Diba?
Oo,
Ka-text
oo,
nga niya si
totoo.
Father Ganon. Ganun yung dating ni Kim So-yoon.
Oo.
And even his role in Queen of Tears, diba? Medyo ganon. Very like,
Correct.
a pure heart,
Holy.
ganyan. Di ba? Parang may ganun siyang vibe. Kaya yes, Kim So-yoon as the poging sacristan. And then the second one, well, right now, he is on hiatus, kaya sumasakot yung puso ko. I kinda miss him. It's Subin of TXT. Siya rin ang lakas ng
Yeah.
church opa vibes niya. Pag titignan mo siya,
Actually.
di ba?
Actually.
Parang alam mong napakabait niya, tapos aalagaan niya yung buong pamilya mo, ganon.
Actually.
And I just super love like how not just him, but yung mga members ng TXT, di ba, binibigyan sila iba-ibang mga variety na hino-host nila. Sobrang sakto talaga yung sa kanya, yung may bias. As in, they just yap about their favorite things. Tapos yun, sobrang cute lang ni Subin doon. Ayun, wala lang. I love this last comeback of TXT as well, kaya naalala ko din. Ang ganda ng Over the Moon. I love that song. Yun, wala lang.
yes,
Subin, I hope everything's fine with you and that
Yeah.
just come back when you're ready, whatever it is.
When
Hindi
you're
naman clear, di ba,
healthy.
kung bakit siya nag-hiatus.
Correct.
Pero,
Oo.
just come back when you're ready. You're our church opa. Magsisimba ako, kukumpletuhin ko ulit para sa'yo. Ikaw ang
I
wish
think
ko.
baka Wow! Baka nag-hiatus siya kasi magpapari na siya. Wow!
Wow!
Papasok na siya sa
Nahanap niya na
seminaryo.
yung calling niya kasi.
Correct.
Ganon.
Yun pala yun. Nagdi-discern
Oo.
pala siya ngayon.
Oo.
Oo. Sama na siya
Gosh.
ni JYP. Wow! Wag doon. Pero sobrang true. As in, nung sinabi mo na si Subin as a sacristan, parang ko like, oh my God, na-visualize ko talaga.
Oo.
No?
Nakikita ko siyang yung may dalang
Oo.
thingy.
Nung
Oo,
cross.
all white
Oo.
yung cross.
Diba?
Na ano ko talaga. Tapos parang nandun ka lang sa gilid. Tapos kasama mo yung mga kaibigan mo. Tapos pagchichismisan mo siya. Alam mo yun?
Diba? Tapos nakalala ko siyang bell, tapos gaganyan-ganon niya yung bell. Tapos parang
Oo.
na-excite ka kasi nakikita mo yung braso niya. Kapag
Ay,
gumagano
oo!
siya,
Correct! Correct!
nagsimba pa kung ano iniisip.
Tapos di ba yung sakristan, minsan nag-offer siya ng ay hindi sakristan, pero may mga laymen na pwedeng magbigay ng host.
Oo. Yeah.
So baka
Yeah,
kung
yeah.
isa siya doon, ay,
Doon tayo
pwede
pipila.
bang
Ganon.
oo, pwede bang mga 5 rounds? 5 rounds sa host siya.
Mga ginagawa sa simbahan.
Kalandian. Hoy, sa mga nakikinig sa amin, huwag kayong pa-pure ha. Alam ko naglalandian din kayo sa simbahan. Huwag kayo.
Kaya kayo nagsisimbang gabi kasi may jowa
Oo.
kayo.
Correct. Totoo.
Date. Oo
Date.
nga.
Oo.
It's the perfect
Yan.
date kasi. Imagine, wala pang araw, tapos magkasama na kayo, may
Tapos holding
Correct.
hands kayo.
Holding
Oo.
hands. Malamig
Diba?
kasi ang
Oo.
panahon.
Oo, tama. Malamig ang simoy ng hangin. Pero hindi parating malamig at masarap ang simoy ng hangin ng Pasko. Kasi may mga tao rin talaga na pagdating mo na, pag family reunion kayo, biglang, ay nako, ba't parang medyo...
Andiyan na siya.
Nandito na siya. Like, oh my God, I have to
Yeah.
contend with this person. And
I
with that in
know.
mind, Monica, sino ba to?
Nako, okay. Meron akong dalawa, okay. At sobrang nakakainis lang kasi parang medyo major yung mga pinagagagawa nila this year. I think every time naman, especially this first one that I'm gonna mention, palagi namang may ganito. May mga critics, ganon.
Oo.
Pero, parang this year was exceptionally, what the hell is going on? Ba't kayo ganyan? Like, ano ba? Ano bang gusto nyo sa buhay nyo? Parang ganon.
Oo.
And I am talking about these fans, K-nets. Actually, hindi lang puro K-nets pala kasi to. Parang, a lot of them also come from other countries, pero let's just say that majority are K-nets. Very, very critical sila about their idols. So, yung mga pinagagagawa nila this year, especially particularly to Rise's Sunghan, and to Yoongi of BTS na
yes.
Ano mo na yung stereotype nila, hindi mo
Oo
pa
nga.
nasabi.
Oo nga pala.
Oo.
Sila ang mga atribidang tita, okay?
Oo.
Yes.
Ng Paskong to. Nakakairita. As in, nakakainis talaga. Like, yung starting with Yoongi, I mean, naalala ko na yung parang, siya yung unang nag-message kasi, di ba, na sinasabi niya na nahulog siya sa bike niya, tapos lasing siya, and then
Sa
only to
scooter.
find out na scooter pala siya. So, alam mo yun, ako tawang-tawa ako doon na parang,
Ako
lasing
din.
siya.
Oo.
Like, nahulog siya sa scooter. Parang na-imagine ko na kasi na parang, ano ba yan?
At
Lasing
may
ka na
video
nga.
naman kasi.
Oo, tas may
Nakakatawa
video
yung
pa at all.
Oo.
Tapos hindi ko talaga inakala na a few weeks later, like, nasa court na siya. Alam mo yon Na kailangan i-prove
correct.
na this and that, na kailangan sampahan siya ng kaso kasi it's drunk driving technically, and ngayon kailangan ng proper, hindi naman ngayon, pero dati pa naman kailangan ng proper license sa mga scooters and stuff like. Basta gets, ang daming biglang mga burning out na laws and stuff. Nag-gets ko naman, of course, there's like responsibility to those things. But, I mean, if they saw the video first, alam mo yun, if they saw evidence first, super harmless. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Like, it was so funny. The stupid CCTV was like, as in, mas mabagal pa siya kaysa sa traffic light. Ganun levels.
Oo.
Oo,
Sa mga
correct.
naglalakad.
Sa mga
Oo,
naglalakad.
Exactly.
So, parang nakakagulat lang na bigla na lang, oh, this blew up. Like,
Yeah.
why? Like, and
Because
obviously,
he's BTS.
it's because he's BTS. It's because a lot of people are more critical of idols talaga,
Exactly.
or some people don't like him in general, not just because he's BTS. I don't know. Marami lang talagang haters of this world, and
Yeah.
that's really horrible. And that also happened to Sunghan Rise, na lumabas lang kasi yung issue na he's dating and other
He
things.
dated before
he
he became
dated
an
pala.
idol. Prior
he
pa.
dated before becoming an idol. And then suddenly, he's out. I mean, they wanted him
Yeah.
out. And the amount of hate and bullying that they did, like sending those funeral flowers in front
Yeah,
of
that's a little too much.
the company, company building, that's excessive. I mean, you can
Yeah.
hate all you want. That's your opinion, and we respect that. Pero to physicalize that hate and to like, alam mo yun, basically, nginungudngud sa face na you don't deserve to be here. Just, and for a reason na dahil nagmahal ang isang tao. Come on, guys.
Yeah.
I mean,
I mean,
please
kung
touch
ganun
some
ka
grass.
kapogi, talagang, hello, ilang taon ka palang jojowa ka. Anong
Diba?
masama?
Correct. And,
Tsaka
akala
prior
nyo ba lahat
naman
ng
siya
mga-
to debuting.
Exactly. And akala nyo, lahat ng mga idol nyo hindi nagda-date. Diyos ko, Lord.
Exactly.
Lahat sila may mga
Why is it
jowa.
so
Diyos ko.
wrong to
Grabe.
date?
Like,
So
jeez.
annoying.
Like, I really, I mean, for that issue, ang dami ng mga kasong ganito na na-cancel ang mga idols because nalaman na ikakasal na may boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever. But this one was exceptionally, I don't know, it really boiled my blood because of especially that funeral flowers talaga. Kasi parang,
Yeah.
what kind of hatred is this? What kind of world we live in na kailangan talagang ipakita pa yon? Like, hindi,
Correct.
no one deserves it. Alam mo yon?
Yeah.
Oo.
It was
So kung may
insane.
atribida kang tita na lapit sa'yo, pag Pasko, sasabihin mo sa kanya na, what kind of hate is this? Pag sinabi sa'yo na parang, oy, tumaba ka. Sabi mo, what kind of hate is this? What kind of world are we living in? Gaganon ka din.
Yan. Yun
Oo,
ang
ganun
linyahan.
yun.
Oo.
Ganon. Correct.
Mm-mm.
And then, last, and I think pinaka-attributed tita of them all, and I really feel
Mga
that
ganito
she
kinakancel.
freaking ruined K-pop this year. Like,
Yeah,
because
agree.
of all the issues relating to whatever it is that she started. Like, na-feel ko talaga na, oh, I don't wanna listen to K-pop for a while. Alam mo yun? Kasi sobrang, ang bigat lang ng puso ko. It wasn't giving me joy. I was just thinking of all the stuff that's been brought out and, alam mo yun, na-rooted because of her, and that's Minhee Jin. Okay? Like,
Angry reacts only.
diba? Parang, come on. Like, I don't even know where to begin. Ay, minsan naiiyak na lang ako kasi parang, actually, ang daming questions pa rin of what's going on. Especially with New Jeans coming out with all these accusations na keso they were not treated well, etc., etc. And Hybe saying na, no, that's not true, blah, blah, blah. And Adore pa, and all that. Parang, ang daming, syempre, hindi natin talaga alam. Like, I'm pretty sure there's like a bigger story out there. It's just that, siguro nakaka-frustrate kasi Min Hee-jin started by Min Hee-jin, and then, I guess, New Jeans followed suit na rin. They made it so public kasi, and malamang yun din yung intention para kasi kailangan nila yung public opinion. Kailangan may sides,
Totoo naman.
'di ba? Sa kung ano man yung gusto nilang gawin sa buhay nila. And they made it public pero parang puro hinala, and I don't know, it just feels like puro schemes, puro what ifs, puro whatever, and I don't know, kumbaga there's just so many opinions now and so many theories, and basically, they're all just so negative and so nakaka-down and nakaka-pull down sila ng other people not involved in their case. Alam mo yon? So parang, like, why?
Yeah.
Why does it have to be this way? And like, it's just so tiring and frustrating and Jesus Christ, my God. Get an oil paper thing. Get rid of oil on your face. So pissed at her face.
Oo. Nakakainis nga talaga naman siya tingnan. And I mean, I share the frustration na parang you want it to be a good year. Alam mo yon? Because like we love being in this Hallyu family, you know?
Yeah.
Pero it's just kind of annoying na may isa talagang tao na parang just there to kind of wanna ruin things. I know some people have maybe a different reaction about this whole scenario na nangyayari. But I guess the point is it's still shaking, you know, the K-pop world, you know. And with everything that's happening as well with the K-nets, I mean, maraming mga nakaka-cancel and all that, parang, you know, it kind of dampens the mood. So,
Yeah.
and that is very hard.
Yeah.
Ayun. But, I think, I mean, may mga tribida nga tayong tita, tulad ni Min Hee-jin at mga K-nets. Meron din naman tayong mga people in our family that will not dampen the mood. And even, alam mo yun, parang tataas pa ang spirits mo, 'di ba? Yung mga favorite people mo in your family. And I think Pia has one in mind.
Yes, alam nyo kapag mga big family, meron kayong biglang mga tito pero parang ka-age mo lang naman or just a little bit older, mga ganyan. So meron na sasabi, the favorite tito na hindi mo matawag na tito kasi cousin level siya. And I'm talking about Yoo Yun Sok. I love him so much ever since, I mean this year ba tayo nanood ng Architecture 101?
Yes.
Oh, anyway, ayun. That one, and then I love them since Hospital Playlist. And when he started Whenever Possible with Jae-suk, talagang I love how he is in Variety. So funny. And right now, ongoing yung When the Phone Rings. Like, the range of this man. Like, super funny in Variety. And then suddenly, turning into this very dark character for this role. As in, sobrang I love his acting. I love how he carries himself. And sobrang, I'm just so excited for what else is to come. Kasi kumbaga, nag-peak na yung career niya nung mga Reply series eh. Parang dapat medyo tapos na, 'di ba? Pero in fairness sa pag-maintain niya ng ano niya. So yes, so excited for what else, what more he has to offer. Hello, Yoo Yun Sok. O yan, mas katotohanan, ka-age natin halos.
Pero bakit naisip mo na tito siya, hindi as a lover? Or a poging pinsan, ganon.
So, tita din
parang
tayo.
yung Architecture
Kahit tita
101,
tayo.
parang bata pa tayo noon, medyo matanda na siya doon. Parang ganon. Even sa Reply, 94 pala siya.
Oo.
Parang medyo ewan ko, parang feeling ko ang tanda na niya. Parang may ganon. I don't know, there's something very mature about him.
Ay, gusto natin yung mga ganyan.
Let's go for mature.
Tito ba to mga tito na mga thrice removed? Ganon.
Oo,
Pwedeng
ganyan.
tito by marriage para safe.
Oo, ganon.
Correct.
Oo, in-law, ganyan.
In-law.
Kaya,
So, in-law.
kaya halos ka-age mo. Ayan,
Totoo.
tama.
Okay. Thank you for that clarity, no? Para we can open more doors.
Correct.
With this tito, no?
Bilang nabanggit ko na ang Whenever Possible, kasama niya doon ay ang ninong ng bayan, si Jae-suk! Yes! As in, sobrang, hindi naman naubusan ng show tong lolo mo. Pero
Grabe,
naisip ko lang din
hardworking.
kasi, 'Di ba? Kasi kakakasal
Every
lang
year.
ni Cho Seho, 'di ba? So hindi naman siya ninong, wala naman yatang konsepto ng ninong sa kasal dun. Pero parang running joke kasi nila na si Jae-suk nasa pinaka harap nung kasal because he had like massive wedding, thousands were invited. Yung iba daw nasa
Correct.
labas na ng ballroom. Pero
Wow.
ang sinong nasa pinakaharap, si Jae-suk kasi daw in order of sinong malaki yung binigay na cash gift. Kaya siya yung nasa pinakaharap.
Hoy, gusto ko rin siya maging ninong.
Ako rin. Pwede ba yun?
Di ba?
Random
Sobrang
invitation.
yaman.
Oo. Dadating na lang
Tsaka,
siya.
di ba, si Ninong Jae-suk na kapitbahay ni Hoshi. Di ba? Parang let's go. Oo.
Girl, automatic. Pag ikasal kayo ni Hoshi,
Oo.
Siya na yun.
Automatic siya na sa harap ng
Kakausapin,
Pero
sa
ikakasal
Pilipinas
si
kasi may
Hoshi.
gantong konsepto eh. Ninong
Oo.
dapat nagbibigay ng ano,
Oo.
3
May
times
kakasal-
expenses of the wedding. Yun po yung ibibigay niyo sa amin.
Correct. Or siya na mag-provide ng honeymoon.
Hindi. Cash.
Ay, hindi, ayaw.
3
Cash,
times
cash
the
pala.
expense of the wedding.
Cash lang,
Yun
cash
talaga.
lang.
Cash lang. Oo nga, mas maraming freedom for that. So, sobra, yes, totally agree. Ninong ng bayan. As in, and I hope he will live longer. Sobra.
Yeah.
Kasi,
I mean, the ninong
health
ng
siya.
bayan
naman siya.
Every
Oo.
year.
Yeah.
fair,
Very
parang-
healthy.
Yeah,
Going
exactly.
strong.
Oo. Tsaka parang umabot siya sa point na kung kailangan ko na talaga ng ninong once I find my, Hallyu husband. Yes. Jae-suk. You shall
Lalo
be
na kay
that.
Hoshi, kasi si Hoshi ikakasal later on in
Matanda
life.
yung 60, 70, di ba? Ang tagal pa nang hihintayin.
Grabe, 100 years old na siya. Grabe kay Jae-suk. Grabe, nag-running man pa rin siya hanggang ano.
Oo. Sobrang healthy kasi niya. Nag-gym araw-araw. Kaya.
Grabe, Grabe. And, so, nandito na nga tayo sa ating mga like relatives, di ba? Na, kasama sa ating mga reunions and stuff. Pero, of course, may mga tao pa rin na gusto natin na nandyan sa reunion na wala. Unfortunately. Ito yung mga taong kinakantahan natin ng Pasko na, sinta ko. And, magbigay-pugay po tayo sa ating mga brave enlisters of the military na umalis this year. Kailangan po natin silang ipagpugay. Kumbaga, parang equivalent sila ng mga nag-OFW na umalis at hindi
Oo.
makapunta.
Correct.
Or yung mga jowa mo na hiniwalayin mo na. Yan. Kaya wala ka nang kasama sa Pasko. Okay?
Oh.
So, siguro quick rundown lang ng mga nag-enlist this year. So, sa mga may mga bias na nag-enlist this year, ilabas na po ang inyong mga tissue na para at least but you can dry your tears. Ayan. So, quick rundown lang. Okay. Una sa lahat, si Wang Min-yoon.
Yo.
We know from Alchemy of Souls, and he is also from Pledis as well. Yes, we've seen his photo as a military man. Doon pa din nakikita ang power of a haircut.
Mhm.
I like yung kalbo do.
Pogi pa rin.
Pogi pa din. Pogi pa din.
Pero may disclaimer. Okay, go.
Oo, pogi pa din. Pero, yun. Okay. And we have Song Kang. Naku!
Yes.
Song Kang! Very excited
Pogi,
to see him
yeah.
out.
Buzz cut.
Buzzcut, di ba? And of course, our favorite, dahil nakapunta kami sa kanyang fan meet, Kim Mingyu from Business Proposal and Heavenly Idol. Ayan, isa pang pogi yan. Ako, girl, nahawakan natin yung kamay niya. Uulitin lang po namin. Nahawakan po namin ang kamay niya. Yun.
Yes.
Aha.
Silang dalawa lang. Ay, nako.
Mm-mm. Nagpapasalamat
Galit pa rin
ako kay
ako.
Pia.
Sa kapal na mukha. Ganito din suot ko nun eh.
Hindi nakukuha ni Pia ang kanyang confidence.
Oo.
And of course, we have NCT Taeyong and Jaeyoon. So,
Yes.
sila po ay
Jaeyoon,
pumasok na rin.
kakastart ko pa lang naman sa kanya. 97-liner. Okay,
Nak-
go.
Okay, yan.
Sobrang pogi.
And pumasok din ang ating K-pop daddy na si Bobby of Icon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Side. And ito talaga, ilabas na po ang maraming tissue because Jonghan went inside the military. Oh my God.
Yo.
Nag-enlist
Civil
na rin
service
po
naman
siya.
siya.
Civil
Pero
service naman
hindi pa rin
siya.
natin siya nakikita.
Exactly.
A little
Oo.
bit. Nag-restaurant date sila ni Song Chol.
Correct.
After mama.
Dahil
Dalawang to
pinagyayabang
talaga?
lang ni Song Chol na kami, nakikita pa rin. Kayo lang
Correct.
hindi.
Grabe. Dalawang to. So, iyon po ang mga pumasok this year. So, iniwan po ang ating Pasko na malamig. But, fortunately, meron ding mga nagbalik. Ito yung mga kakantahan natin ng mga salamat sa liwanag mo. Muling magkakakulay ang Pasko. Aha, yes. Nagkakulay ulit ang Pasko natin kasi nagbalik ulit this year sina Kang Teo of Attorney Woo.
Yes!
Yes, and of course, oh my gosh, 2521's Nam Juyuk. Yes!
Hello!
Yes!
Grabe, diretso
Grabe.
sa Fashion Week. Ang
Correct.
pogi.
Pogi niya doon, grabe.
Sobrang pogi talaga niya. As in, my God. Tsaka, Sir Hubad ka. Tsaka, gusto ko makita niyo yung military body. Okay,
Correct.
we also have Minyuk of Monster X. Yeah!
Yes! I'm so
Yeah!
happy. Ginagawa na niya lahat ng mga dance challenge. Ang
Oh,
saya.
grabe.
Cute.
Balik talaga. Back to work na talaga sila. And itong
Correct.
dalawang to, sakto ang kanilang paglabas because next year, their group will be having a comeback. So this is GOT7's JB and Jin Young. Woo!
Yes! I'm so
Yeah!
excited!
Ay,
Agasin
excited
na ako,
sa comeback.
guys.
Grabe. Ay, agasin na.
Ako rin.
Woo!
Dahil
Ang
kay
saya.
Yugyum tsaka kay Bambam. Okay.
Tama. O nga si Yugyum nga palang ano mo ngayon, bias wrecker.
Mhm.
Pero exciting talaga na magka-comeback sila as GOT7. So, ayun. Like, oh my gosh, nakakatuwa.
It is.
And then, of course, ito, dalawa ulit. Grabe talaga nakakatuwa buy one, take one ang mga lumalabas ngayon. We have Mino and Kang Song Yoon of Winner. So, yun.
Yes! Wait, lumabas na si Mino?
Hindi, sila pala will be out by December 19 and the 23rd.
Oh my
Oo. So,
God! I
malapit
love
na po
Mino.
silang
Oh my God, palabas na siya.
lumabas.
Okay. Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
And speaking of the biggest buy one, take one, getting out of enlistment this year, we have Jin and Hobie! Woo! And hardworking as per
Yay!
usual. Grabe
Correct.
talaga, nag-globe-trotting, nakakalabas lang.
Oo.
Pero
Si
kailangan-
Sokjin naman kasi dire-diretso din yung content pagkalabas eh.
Grabe. I think kaya natin
And
i-highlight
that
talaga
hug
si Sokjin.
event was just...
Yeah.
The sweetest. I really loved it. The
That's so good.
sweetest
And
talaga.
I really
And
love
also
na
the
may
amusement
participation
park
siya.
event. Like, ano
Correct.
ba? He's so
Aww.
sweet.
Super duper.
And yung meron pa siyang part 2 ng Chamchi niya. Alam mo yun?
I know.
Grabe.
My
Iyak na si
absolute
Mon.
favorite song.
Grabe.
I love that song so much. And the
Yung-
music video was just perfect. I love
Yes.
it so
Tapos
much.
si Limujin, pinakanta niya. Tapos kinukoach pa niya. So,
Correct.
nakakatawa.
Grabe.
Diba?
Grabe. Tsaka yung talaga yung variety show niya eh. As in, alam mo yun, alam mo yung sabi niya, parang kaya ko tong kerehin mag-isa. At kayang-kaya naman
Oo.
talaga ng isang
Ng ating
ng isang
Matyong.
Sokjin. Oo.
Correct.
Gusto kong tanungin kay Monica, kung chamchi ba yung odeng mo? Guwaba sa tuna yan.
I think
Oo.
yung hindi pwede. Kasi mahal ko yung chamchi na yun eh. So, pinakasalan ko, hinalikan ko rin yung chamchi na yun, just like Sokjin in the music video. But probably the ugly fish. Isa lang ang latest content niya.
Dagalong
Nang okray ba naman ng isda? Alam mo, ibang
Pero
klaseng tao talaga ang Kim Sokjin. Like, I
Correct.
must say. Like,
Oo.
you'll never meet anyone like him anywhere in the world.
Correct.
He's just a different person.
I feel like if you show
special.
up in front of him na nakaganyan ka, matutuwa siya.
Feeling ko din.
Oo.
Feeling ko din. Like, instant best friends. Pero, he'll be like miles apart, away.
Oh.
Just like,
Oo.
di ba meron siyang mini concert for like his album, the recent one that he Tapos, napakalayo niya, ilang hakbang from Wendy.
From
Just
Wendy.
Ko, Lord.
Like, dalawang BTS
Ayaw.
OT7 ang kasha in between the two of them.
Correct.
Ganon.
Correct.
Grabe.
Plus the entire Red Velvet Girls. As in,
Correct.
isang mahabang pila. Nakakaloka talaga.
Oo.
So funny.
Bawal
I love those
ma-issue,
memes.
ganon.
O kakalabas
I
pa
think
lang
he's
ng
just
military.
generally shy. Like he was
feel like it's really for the
he was genuinely freaked out. I don't know. Parang yung nakita ko.
Hindi na siya sanay kasi
Sabagay.
nung nag-military siya, puro lalaki na naman din kasama niya.
Oo nga
So,
eh.
baka mega, ay,
Samantalang
babae.
si Taeyong kung makahag sa mga babae.
Correct.
Sa MV niya.
Correct.
Eh,
True.
grabe. Also, kailangan natin i-highlight yung buffness talaga ng isang Kim Taeyong.
Correct.
Na
Yes.
sobrang, as in, yung dinrop talaga niya yung dance video niya. As in, talagang parang, oh my God, sir,
He's so
Magic Mike?
chunky. I love it.
No?
I
Pero
love
may
his
Tata
face
Mike
now.
face pa rin siya. So, a good
Correct.
balance of cute and hot. Yun. Speaking of hot, dito tayo sa mga kamag-anak natin na mapapaisip ka, parang, saan ka nang galing? Parang like, ayaw nating Game of Thrones, you know? Huwag tayo Jarn, okay? At si Monica, I think, may first-hand experience.
Wow.
Dinrock.
First-hand experience talaga. Sana lang. Pero sila yung ito yung mga poging pinsan na biglang this year or this reunion, biglang na-realize mo, oh my God, crush kita. Bagong, oh my God, ang pogi mo. And I have two, starting with Song Goni. He played Taesung in Lovely Runner. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. I mean, it started with I really have a soft spot for yung mga second lead guys. The ones who didn't get the girl. But this guy, he's so exceptionally, I don't know. I mean, sobrang okay naman yung lead couple and all that. Pero parang ito talaga, sa sobrang puging-pugi ako sa kanya. Parang, I just really wanted him to succeed kahit na alam ko hindi. So, successful sila sa second lead syndrome in that way. And then this next guy, I watched him in Mr. Plankton and he plays the lead guy. His name is Woo Do-won. First time ko siyang makilala, mapanood sa isang anything. And I must say, Jesus Christ, what a freaking good-looking guy. Tapos, ang galing-galing pa niya, Omar. I'm sorry, pero every week, parang, hindi ko, minsan, pag nanonood, naalala ko, pag nanonood ako, yung emotions ko, hindi ko alam dahil sa acting niya, kasi nadadala niya, magaling siya nadadala niya ako, dahil naiiyak ako, or hindi ko alam kung naiiyak ba ako dahil sobrang pogi niya. As in, minsan may mga moments akong ganun. Dahil nakatitig lang talaga ako sa kanya. So, ayun, sila ang aking mga poging pinsan na fifth cousin para safe.
Fifth cousin. Oo.
Malayo. O kaya
Naniyaya mo
in-law.
magsimba.
Oo. Na-realize ko, oh my God, ang pogi nila, shit. Mga new crushies. And I'm pretty sure may ganun kayo. Meron ba kayong new pogi discovery, crushy discovery this year?
My God. Ako, ayoko siyang isipin na pinsan eh.
Ako din. Ayoko kasi gawing
Ayoko
pinsan.
Ayoko siyang gawing pinsan eh. Gusto ko parang yung talagang may chance talaga, tsaka walang judgment from family kung may mangyari.
Oo, correct. Ganon. Parang,
Oo, correct. I guess yung
sa
sa akin
akin si
yung
Yugyum talaga yon. Hi, Yugyum.
Yugyum. So, yung akin, yung bias record ko for this year is Ko Kyung-pyo. Kasi he's funny and he's cute. And I feel like I will be thoroughly entertained by him.
Yeah.
Oo.
Magaling pa magluto. Pwede isama dun sa kitchen sa Noche Buena.
Correct.
Ay, actually, hindi siya magaling magluto. More of madaling utusan.
Madaling utusan. Oo. Totoo. Tapos mag-react lang siya dun ng cute. So, parang tatawa ka na lang.
Oo,
Ganon.
diba?
Siya yung
Masasarapan
tipong,
siya sa lahat ng luto mo.
oo. Pwede ko siyang insert as, para siyang one of the Bibo kids of the family. Siya yung binibigyan ng 20. Kasi siya yung nagpo-perform. At nagpapatawa. So, yon.
Correct.
Ko Kyung-pyo. Na hindi ko pinsan.
Oo. Si
Important.
Yugyum din, di ko pinsan.
Oo.
Hi, Yugyum. Ang pogi. Grabe. Yung tandem nila ni El Capitan, sorry, I'm watching kasi Universe League. To din si El Capitan, ang pogi pala. Bakit ba nakatago
Pogi
siya all these years?
Oo nga.
Like, my God.
Sino si El
This
Capitan?
man is hot. Siya yung isa sa mga producers ng Hybe. Kasama din lagi ni
Ah,
Yuri,
sa
ni
TXT.
Ayu.
Oh, nakita
Yes,
ko
TXT
sa
also nagpa-produce din siya.
Oo.
Girl, finollow ko na siya sa Instagram. Ang pogi talaga.
Talaga?
As in,
Yeah.
like, nakaka-weak. Nakaka-weak.
Nakaka-weak. Okay.
Kasi meron pa siyang like the artist na parang,
Ay,
why are you
ganon.
ruining my song? May mga ganyan siya.
Ay,
parang,
ganon.
oh God,
Very cool,
Ay.
chill lang siya.
sobrang
Giving a woozy
pogi.
vibes na parang may sarili lang. Basta parang don't mess with me.
Pero
I'm me
walang
and I'm
cutie
only.
side. Kasi si Woozy may cutie side eh.
Oo.
Siya walang cutie side. Hot
Very
pa rin
Kaya
manly.
lang natin nakikita.
Oo.
Kasi lumalabas yung cutie side ni Woozy pag pinaglalaroan siya ng other
Ng mga.
sebos.
Correct.
Oo, correct. Nilalabas naman din niya every now and then. Speaking of manly, siguro last insert lang, na sobrang poging-pogi ako ngayon. Kasi kakatapos ko lang ng Zombieverse. Tapos every time talaga lumalabas si Dex, parating hot. Parang, oh my God, papatay na si ganyan, hot. Oh my God, hot. As in, ang hot talaga kasi niya, lalaki kong lalaki. As in.
Very,
Grabe.
very.
Mm.
Tapos parang alam mong safe ka. Alam mo talaga na kahit ano
Yeah.
mangyari, kahit he will put his life on the line for you. Una niya nga
Oo.
hanapin lagi si Teon para protektahan.
Correct.
May bias
Oo.
Si Teon lang lagi. Dito ka Teon,
Correct.
ako bahala sa'yo. Si Patricia wala
Poprotektahan
siyang
ka niya,
pake.
pero hindi ka niya jojowain. Yun eh.
Oh, yun lang
problema.
din.
Oo. Okay. So,
Mga
nagaling tayo
popcorn.
sa mga poging pinsan, di ba? Pero syempre, hindi lang naman poging pinsan ang napapansin natin sa mga pinsan natin. May mga pinsan tayo na talagang ito yung mga pride of the family. Alam mo, they're the ones that bring joy and prestige to the family name. And the family name is Hallyu. So, simulan natin kay Monica. Sino ba tong pinsan na to for you?
Okay, itong pinsan na to, siya yung ang tagal mo nang hindi nakakasama, pero alam mong sikat siya. And then finally, dumating siya. Tapos sobrang exciting ng Christmas reunion this year. Kasi parang, oh my God, dadating siya. And like, alam mo yun, proud na proud ka lang siya. And I am talking about Ate Ayu. Because
Si
this
Ate
year,
Ayu.
she
Si
released
Jing
this
Jing. Oo.
this
Ate Jing
wonderful, wonderful album, one of the best of this year, I believe. And then she proceeded with a world tour. A very, very successful world tour. So, nakakatuwa. It's been a while. Although may concert naman siya the previous year, it's been a while since she released an album kasi. Kaya it was very, very special for her and of course for the Uenas. And she delivered. And basically, parang siya yung tipong pinsan na kahit na hindi mo nakakasama lagi, nakakatuwa. I mean, hihintayin mo lang siya, dadating naman siya, tapos matutuwa ka.
Dadating
Na
siya with her
dadating
hot
siya.
air balloon.
Hot
With
air
her
balloon.
hot air
Oo.
balloon. Correct. And kaka-release lang na news actually na siya rin ay magbabalik sa K-drama world.
Yes.
So,
yeah.
which
Ay,
will be
oo
released
nga.
next year
Correct.
with, what's his name?
nga.
Si
Byung
Yoon
Woosok.
Sok.
Oo.
Si
Lovely
Runner.
Runner.
Oh my God,
So,
what tandem.
Sabi ng
Ang laki
announcement,
ng height difference.
I know, sobrang cute. Sabi ng announcement mid next year, mid 2025. So exciting, 'di ba? So sana it's another fun family reunion again next year with IU.
Si Ate
Yes.
Ayu. Oo. Grabe talaga. Si Ate Ayu yung tipong alam mong sobrang taas na niya, pero kaya mo pa rin siyang takbuhan with like concerns and she will help you out. May ganun siyang vibe.
Yeah.
Ayoko lang siya yung tipong i-compare ako sa kanya. Ayun,
Correct.
yung pinsan mo si Ayu, alam mo na, nakaano siya,
Oo.
nakaganto, nakaganyan. Huwag ako i-compare sa kanya. Perfecto siya.
Oo. Si Atribidang tita yan.
Okay lang.
Oo.
Char.
Siya yun. Oo. Para naman sa'yo, Pia, sino ba yung best cousin na yan?
Best cousin is Lee Young-ji. Oh my God, what a year for her. Like, she released an album this year and I was obsessed with it. Every track was really so good. And sobrang favorite ko yung isa, the track about her dad, na parang she was so vulnerable and so open about it. And she even said na parang they had to really like dim the lights and just pretend for her to be in front of her dad just so that she could rap it the way it was. It's so heartbreaking. Grabe talaga yung song na yun. But what a year for Young G. And siya yung feeling ko yung pinsan na sobrang exciting. Parang yung laging nandyan, alam mong nandyan na kasi may maingay na.
Correct!
Tapos siya yung pinsan na sa lahat ng mga lakad ng barkada mo, isasama mo siya. And she gets along with
correct.
everybody. Siya pa nga
Correct.
kumbaga, parang kaibigan ko sila, di ba? Bakit mas friend mo na sila? kaysa sa
Correct.
akin? Parang yung ganong klase siya na friend.
Oo.
Like, I love her so much. What a great year for her. And so excited ko ano pa ang mga next kay pinsan yung G. Tsaka si Yoon G, kung siya yung pinsan ko, sure ako na hindi ako i-compare sa kanya in a way na, oh, si Yoon G maingay. Hindi naman ako gagawin.
Oo.
Di ba? Okay lang yun.
I
Go,
feel like
Young
kung
G.
kayo ni Yung Ji magkasama, kayo yung parang, ang ingay yung dalawa. Ganon.
Oo. Correct.
Parang ganun yung
Correct.
mangyayari. Yung dalawa na naman, nag-uusap na malakas. Tingnan mo naman, no? Nagmimisa eh. Ganon.
Oo, correct.
Oo.
Correct.
Nagkakalabitan dahil sa sakristan, tong
Oo,
dalawang to,
correct.
ganyan.
Oo. Si Sacristan Subin.
Mm-mm.
Yung aking entry naman for this is, siya yung pinsan mo na parating may tarp sa harap ng bahay niyo.
yung pinagawa ng barangay.
Correct, pinagawa ng barangay. As in, ganun siya kakilala.
Nanay niya. Ng tita mo.
niya. Oo. Tapos kunyari may pupunta, hahanapin yung bahay niyo sa barangay, di ba? in-name drop lang niya, alam na kung saan dahil lang sa kanya.
Oo.
Correct.
Doon sa mga puno ng
Well-regarded.
saging yun, ganon.
Oo, ganun. Yung tipong yung bahay niyo walang number, walang street, pag nilagay sa
Oo.
address, pangalan lang niya nandun. Alam na
Alam
na
na.
agad ng mga tao kung saan.
Oo.
At itong tao tayo sobrang highly regarded. And my entry for this is si Kuya Namjoon. Kuya RM, hi po!
Talaga bang pinsan? Di ba minahal mo siya? Wow!
Baka hindi na kasi nalaman niya
Parang-
pinsan niya
Oo
pala.
nga eh. Oo nga eh. Correct. Nalaman ko kasing pinsan ko siya. So, for this year, pinsan ko siya. Next year, malaman ko na anak sa labas pala siya. So, hindi kami directly related.
Okay.
Mm.
Magandang
Yun yun.
K-drama.
Oo. And I'm mentioning him because, ayun nga, we've been talking about best albums of the year, right? So, he also dropped one of the best albums of the year, which is Right Place, Wrong Person, our favorite of all. So, we already have an episode on that. Pakinggan nyo, guys, kasi sobra yung pagmamahal talaga namin dito sa album na to. At kay RM din. Alam mo yun, yung gano'n na talaga siya kataas. Na parang, alam mo yung nagbubusan Film Festival na siya, yung mga music videos niya, meron ng awards sa ibang bansa, alam mo yun, na parang,
Correct.
he is a different kind of idol. And I
Mm-mm.
think, kaya masasabi talaga ng pamilyang
On a
to
league
na,
of his own.
oo, a league of his own. As in top rappers of the year based on like Billboard yung Billboard lists of top hip-hop albums and all that. Kaya masasabi talaga natin na siya ay tunay na idol ng bayan. Yon. So, yan ang ating
So yung
Kuya
tarp
RM.
niya nandun pa lang sa sa entrance pa lang ng town, nandun na, sa Arco.
Oo.
Correct.
Oo.
Nasa Arco. Correct.
Tapos
Oo.
landmark din yun. Doon tayo magkita
Correct.
sa tarp ni Namjoon. Ganon.
Correct.
Oo.
Oo.
Totoo. Tapos every time may graduation ceremony, siya yung speaker.
Oo.
Kasi magaling din siya magsalita eh. So,
Oo.
Mm-mm.
try to
Spokesperson
inspire-
lagi.
Spokesperson.
Correct.
Inspire the young ones. Ayan.
Correct.
Oo. So, ayun nating mga pinsan na sobrang masaya kasama. Alam mo yon, parang you only see them once a year maybe, pero pag nandyan sila, ang saya-saya. Marami ka natutunan, tawanan kayo, maglalasingan kayo, and all that stuff. Pero, hindi lang naman yung mga pinsan to na once a year lang nakikita natin. Meron ding ibang mga kamag-anak na minsan-minsan lang natin makikita. Tapos pag nakikita natin biglang, oh my God, you're here! Oh my gosh! Ito ay nagbalik! Grabe! At, ang mga ito ay Monica.
Okay,
Sino ba
I
sila?
have two. 2 plus 1.
Mhm.
We have 21 who made a comeback this year and even
Mhm.
have an Asian tour like ongoing, very successful in Seoul and here in Manila so far.
Aha.
That's very exciting, and I thought
Lucky
it was,
Blackjacks.
yeah,
Oo,
and
Lucky Blackjacks.
it was so extra exciting kasi parang, well, si Sandara naman, she's always been present with like her variety shows and dahil syempre Manila-based siya. Manila-based. Party Manila-based. Ang dami din yung mga endorsements and all that. So parang ang saya lang this year ng feeling na pag ganun, hindi talaga makagalaw. Pa-incline yung presence nila. Oo nga eh. Like, parang it really felt like a paramdam. Kasi, like, especially at the beginning of the year, maybe even towards the end of last year, like, ramdam na ramdam mo yung presence ni Sandara and her
Oo.
gorgeousness. My God, that
Yeah.
woman is not aging. And
Correct.
cut
And I
to,
think
ayun na nga.
OT4 sila. Kasi si
OT4.
Minzy is
Yun
part
nga.
of it.
Correct. That's where I was
Oo.
going at.
Babalikan
we did
natin ng
have,
konti. Sino ba sila sa family natin? Sila ang mga OFW, di ba? Yung mga nagbabalik. Oo.
Yeah. So parang, we did see them pala in Coachella. So, ito, yung pagbabalik this year, I don't know, it really felt meaningful and bongga na parang they were
Correct.
really prepared for it and so happy ongoing yung world tour. So, for the rest of the Blackjacks of Asia, have fun! Good luck! Nakainggit.
Yes.
Pero, alam mo yun. So, yon. And then, isa pang super OFW na, oh my God, we can't
Kahit
believe na
tagal
nagbalik
mo
siya.
na
Oo.
nawala.
Parang,
Babalik ka rin.
yung tagal na nagsasabi na babalik siya, pero hindi. Laging
Correct, oo
naudlot.
nga.
Correct.
Oo.
Finally,
May problema
nagbalik
sa
siya.
visa, Charis.
COVID eh. Hindi siya makalabas.
We are, of course, I am, of course, talking about G-Dragon. Oh my goodness.
Ah!
And syempre sa mama, may pasabog pa siya. I mean, although present naman yung other two, si Taeyong,
Taeyang and
Taeyang.
Taesung.
Taeyang,
Oo.
and Daesung. Wow, like we predicted it too. That was very, very exciting. Hindi mo predicted, pero we wanted it to happen and super duper happy that it actually happened. So that was really great. That was like the perfect comeback for GD, and very, very happy for the fandom and for all the idols actually.
VIP.
Yeah!
Tuwang-tuwa.
Ang saya-saya nila.
Grabe,
Tuwa.
the biggest
Ang
VIPs
lahat
of them all, ang
ng-
17.
Correct.
Yeah,
Si
lahat ng
Hoshi
mga
talaga.
idols in the audience, and even, but everyone was talking about it. So that was exciting. And then, I think this last OFW na isisingit ko kasi matagal din siya nawala and like medyo nagtago, sadly. Pero nagbalik siya this year, and I'm talking about, of course, my first love, KSH.
Yeah!
Because, diba?
Yes!
Because
Yes.
he did come back with a film that this year, tama diba? It was this year that we got to watch The Child. Tama ba?
No, that
This
was
year ba
last
siya?
year.
Fuck,
That was last year with the child. But
Oo nga.
this year siya nagka-comeback na on
Sa drama.
sa drama, which
Sa
is
drama. Yeah.
What's that series?
Tsaka ang dami niyang fan meet dito sa
Oo,
Pilipinas.
grabe, ang dami
Correct.
endorsement
May Mr.
ulit.
Muscle pa.
Correct.
Actually.
Grabe, binentahan
So,
tayo.
parang
Pag nag-grocery ako,
Panis.
nakikita ko yung mukha niya.
Correct.
Correct.
So, yun nga. That's what I meant. Yung pagbabalik niya sa K-drama.
Oo.
And, it's great. Like, it's nice. And I really hope na dire-diretso na to for
Yes.
the next few years coming. So, may mga balita, may mga casting news and stuff like that. So, can't wait. Super can't wait.
Yes, Netflix released na
Yes.
photos of them ni Moving, si girl from Moving.
Yeah.
Oh, exciting yan.
Not Komin,
No, no, no,
sorry.
no.
Anyway,
Oo.
So,
The
Kim
Princess.
Sono,
The girl
I
from-
love you forever.
Yes. Ang saya-saya, pag na-imagine ko sila as the OFWs, na-imagine ko si GD as yung tito mong galing Dubai. Kasi parang ang dami niya kasi accessories.
tapos dapat 24 karat gold.
Correct.
Ganyan.
24 karat
Correct,
gold. Tapos medyo eccentric pa. Alam mo yun? Parang
Kasi
may
kulay
gulong
pa ng buhok niya,
tito vibe.
ganon.
Oo.
Parang may gustong sabihin na, I'm back, ganon.
Oo, correct. Tapos si
With a bang.
si KSH, siya yung tito mo na talagang, as in no contact kayo for so long. Alam mo yun? Sinabi lang na parang nag-abroad siya. Tapos bigla na lang pagbalik niya, parang poging pinsan. Yung parang, ay, to? What happened? Ayun. Tapos yung 21, yung mga grupo ng tita mo na parang mga single na parating na lang nag-travel abroad. Alam mo yun? They're
Oo.
everywhere. Alam mo yun? Parang
Tapos yung
pinag-uusap.
shopping ka nila lagi.
Correct.
Ganon.
Oo.
Parang, wala kang ginagawa, tara shopping tayo. Ganyan.
Correct. Oo. Tapos
They
sila yung
kinda
mga tita
really-
na parating iinom. Parating sila yung unang uminom.
Ilabas ang
Actually,
wine, nandito na sila.
They
Correct.
really did feel like a Sex in the City reunion of sorts.
Totoo.
Diba? Parang nagbalik yung tropa. Like, okay,
Correct.
it's back to brunch. Parang may ganon.
Correct. Oo. And, yung mga ganyan, yung mga relatives tayo, di ba? Sa mga ating reunion. Pero minsan may makakapasok ng mga childhood friends, di ba? Sa mga kabaranggayan, di ba? Nabigyan na lang lilitaw. Na yun nga parang si KSH, parang matagal nawawala, alam mo, tahimik, pero may mga dalang mga balita. At sino yon, Pia?
Grabe, si Wanong talaga ng Wanos. Because of Road to Kingdom, Ace of Ace, I really feel like that show was made for him. Like, grabe siya. As in parang, saan ka galing? Although I feel like that's my fault na hindi ko siya kilala.
Oo.
Because of hindi ako exposed sa Wanos, which is basically, same sila ng agency as Mamamoo. So, malamang madami sa mga fans ng
Rainbow Bridge
Mamamoo
din
would already
sila.
know who Wanos is. Pero kasalanan ko yon kasi nag-waterbomb din siya. Grabe siya sa waterbomb, guys. But anyway, sa Road to Kingdom, Ace of Ace. So, basically, each group has an ace who would always have like a huge highlight performance or a solo performance, siya talaga lagi yung number 1 doon. And deservedly so. Apparently, in his batch sa SOPA, siya talaga yung number 1 sa batch nila. Parang ganun talaga siya kagaling. And grabe talaga because of this competition, na-discover ko siya. And yes, Wanong talaga yung sobrang. Kasi ano lang din siya, he's also kind of short. He's like 5'5", 5'6" lang. Parang feeling ko boozy height eh.
king.
Feeling ko dinaya din eh. So yung ganun, yung parang feeling mo hindi mo siya mapapansin. Pero pag sumayaw na, ay ang pogi, tapos ang galing. Oh my God,
Ay.
Wanong. Kung hindi niyo pa na-discover yung Wanos, sumama kayo sa akin. Sabay tayong mabaliw kay Wanong. Tapos nakakatawa kasi bigla siyang nag-Instagram live right now. Ano ba?
Oh my God! It's a sign!
Oo. Bakit
Yes!
ka bigla nagla-live?
Oo.
May ginagawa ako, busy ah. Ayan.
Alam niyo, pinag-uusapan kasi siya eh.
Kailangan niya humelo.
Oo. So, buti na lang nare-discover natin tong childhood friend na to, no? Nararapat.
Pogi.
Oo. At marami rin tayong ibang mga pasabog dito sa ating malaking family gathering na to. At ang malaking pasabog nito ay yung mga taong nasa tapat ng karaoke machine. 'Di ba? 'Di ba? Sino
Ayaw
ba to?
mag-awat.
Busok soon. Oo, correct. 17 in general. Oo. Pero sino nga ba to? Sino ba tong mga
Pero
ayaw
para sa
paawat?
akin, ang mga ayaw paawat sa karaoke ay ang Cat's Eye. Pero to be
Yes.
fair, magaling kumanta ang Cat's Eye.
Correct.
Sobra, yeah.
I must say, grabe yung content nila. Grabe yung, like, everything is just touch, their song and debut. Like, nag-viral yung dance and even the song is just everywhere. So, parang, yon and actually also plot twist naman. Pero parang yung Cat's Eye kasi, as a group, I mean, their Instagram, they're always doing so much TikToks and
Yes,
Reels and all that.
correct.
So it really feels like, oh, okay, nasa karaoke pa rin sila. Hindi sila nawawala ng 5 piso. Parang ganon. Like, dire-diretso lang sila.
Sana dirent na lang nila yung karaoke machine, di ba? Kesa maghulog pa silang 5 piso.
Para fun. Ganong klaseng karaoke machine yun.
And
Diba?
I feel like
May
there's a
token.
certain kind of freedom, I guess, because they're US-based. Parang
Correct.
feeling ko,
Yeah.
parang wala masyadong pinagdadaanan yung social media nila, kaya ang dali nilang mag-TikTok. Kasi as in, grabe yung content nila eh. Any eh. Parang
Oo
kahit
nga
anong
eh.
trending, agad ginagawa nila. So parang,
Correct.
I guess they're more loose with them. I don't know. It's just an observation. I don't know what's happening.
That is true. As a global girl group din, I think, parang they have to really relate to the audiences outside of, not primarily Korea. Although they will still try to, alam mo yun, parang like, parang tinatry pa rin nilang ma-access ang kanilang Korean fans. Kasi K-pop pa rin sila ish. But, you know,
Yeah.
I love them, super. Especially
Yes.
after watching talaga Pop Academy. Parang ako like, oh my God, they're so great! As in, go Sophia! Go Carla!
And they really performed in Mama 2020.
Yeah, I love
super sad
it.
lang hindi sila complete because Manon wasn't there.
Yeah.
But man, that set was fantastic. Like, I was blown away. Like, it was really, 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 really good.
Thank you,
Grabe.
Samsung Duk.
Yes.
Oo.
At sobrang
Correct.
tutok si Son Sundok sa nila. As
Oo.
Oo nga.
Sobra.
Oo
Parang
nga.
I think they're really the next big project eh. Parang lahat ng eyes ng Hybe and Geffen Records are like tutok talaga sa kanila. And then, nakakatuwa kasi parang about that performance, someone commented pa na parang meron siyang feels ng BTS Mama on. Alam mo yon yung ganong klaseng vibe.
Yeah,
I think it's where the
exactly,
precision of the
exactly.
choreography as well. So,
Yeah,
that's
exactly.
so good. So, kung ayaw niyong paawat sa karaoke, okay lang, Cat's Eye.
Okay lang.
Alam
Yes.
kayong magdamag. We do not
Correct.
care. You are entertaining us profusely. So,
Yes.
salamat po sa inyo. Okay. And more than tong mga ayaw paawat sa karaoke, naku, meron pang mga nagbibigay ng entertainment sa buhay namin. Parate. As in, I think for me, they're the Santa of this whole Christmas celebration to round up this whole reunion experience. Sila talaga, ang pagpasko, sila ang naiisip ko. Because they are, for us, the gift that keeps on giving. Alam mo yon. Walang isang taon na napasok kami sa mundong to, sa mundo nila, na parang hindi kami lumabas na wala kaming maraming dalang mga gifts at busog na busog sa Noche Buena. And sa mga sarang base namin, alam nyo kung sino ang pinag-uusapan namin, kundi ang aming beloved 17! Woo!
Ang aming mga asawa.
Yon,
Hindi
mga
sila
asawa
pwedeng
namin.
pinsan, hindi tito, asawa.
Hindi. Asawa
Not related
talaga.
at all.
Not related
Correct.
at all. Grabe. As in. And really, ako for
Blood
me, kaya
related.
naisip ko silang the gift that keeps on giving. Sobrang zone in talaga. Babalik tayo kay Doc yung parati.
Go!
Kasi, dahil, alam mo yung, parang akala ko, hanggang dyan lang siya. But hindi. Nag-decide siya na manreregalo siya ng pandesal this year. Parang,
Actually.
ganon, may mga pandesal bigla. Wala ba
Correct.
lang pahint na may
Correct.
full topless tayo? Alam mo yun? Akala namin si Mingyu lang gagawa niyan eh. Alam mo yun? But no, you're here. So thank you for this gift of abs, sir.
Correct.
And also, like, shortly after that, bigla siyang nag-release nung Lost Stars niya, diba?
Correct.
Na sobrang ganda
Oo.
ng pagkakanta niya. And also, like, the accent is on point. Even this whole Santa Claus is Coming to Town song,
Alam
as in,
mo,
kung pakikinggan mo,
Papakinggan
siya talaga yung pasok yung Santa Claus.
In
Kasi iba may
fair.
close
Actually,
pa rin
most
yung
of
pagka-Santa
them.
Claus nila eh. Siya lang
Tinuruan
yung
ko
Santa
siya.
Claus. Oo, ni Joshua.
Kami na ni Joshua. Joshua, stop it! Ano ba, Josh?
But most of them,
Bawal
okay
mo
yung
ako.
English nila. Parang very select lang sa kanila yung may Korean, may accent pa rin ng Korean, which is fine. Pero parang nagulat ako yung sa Santa Claus is coming up. Parang, wow, bakit ang street English? Parang ang suabe. Most
Especially
of them.
DK. Especially
Especially
DK
DK.
talaga.
DK and Song
Grabe.
Kwan, yeah, the leads. Baka they really worked on it.
Siguro.
I don't know.
Oo.
Mm-mm.
Nakakatuwa.
Which is cool.
Kayo guys, with 17, anong gift nila this year na talagang natuwa kayo?
The music festivals, hands down.
Ah.
Because it's a different experience to see them in Glasto. And then in Lola, oh my God, I still can't believe that I freaking went to Lola just to see, just to have that experience nga. Kasi parang, kakaiba eh. Hindi ko, I don't know, gets. It's like, it's something that it really felt like a goal that was to be achieved, and then they reached it, and at the same time it's a different experience kasi slowly pa lang din pumapasok ang mga K-pop acts in these international music festivals. So I was very very happy to see 17 as one of them, and patuloy pa rin kasi they're going to Mexico for one, and I think another one, I forget kung may isa pa. Basta, sure ako yung sa Mexico, April next year. So, it's a really, really cool experience. So, yun yung isa sa mga biggest gifts na na-feel ko na I really, really appreciate it na I received from 17 this year. And
How
Nana
about-
Tour.
Yes! Oh my God, Nana
Yes.
Tour, number 1. Yes, Pia.
For me, it's really like, despite how much bigger they're getting, like, they're huge. We already know that. Kristen Bell even called them, like, the royalty of K-pop dun sa
Ay.
intro niya, dun sa Disney. But like, despite everything, grabe pa rin yung relationship nila sa atin. Like, di ba parang kunwari, just looking back on this year especially, when a lot of carrots have been very ruthless and very abrasive and not even thinking when they're saying things to them. Ang daming nang away sa kanila, calling themselves quote-unquote carrots. And yet, they would still take the time to be vulnerable with us, to just be open with their feelings. Woozy would put long posts on Weavers just to tell us about his feelings. Songkwan's post on Instagram in the middle of all the controversy that's happening with Hybe and all the things that all the fans are also getting into. Hindi kasi ko ina-expect na they would still care. Because they don't have to anymore, kung tutuusin. If you have a fandom that big already, and if you're that global already, okay ka na eh. Wala na silang kailangang gawin, kikita na sila kahit umupo lang sila. And yet, they still take the time to talk to us, to make us feel included and important, and that's what makes me feel so special, and that's what makes me love being a carrot. As simple as yung mga Weavers post na Happy Monday, I hope that your heart is filled with happiness today. Ano ba? They don't have to, di ba? Pero they still do that. So I'm just so grateful for that. Thank you, 17, for always still putting carrots in the middle of everything, especially when you don't have to anymore.
That's
Ayun.
true. Sobra. Parang ano nga eh, I really feel what you just said. Na parang like, despite nga the fact na ang laki-laki talaga nila. Parang like, ano na lang din. I mean, kasi for example, as an ARMY, I really felt it when BTS became big. Parang I really felt that
Yeah.
they're so big, they're massive. But with 17, like, I feel that, like, especially pag mga concert, tapos nakikita ko marami kong kalaban.
Kalaban?
Kalaban talaga. Ayan. Pero parang, alam mo yun, pero parang kahit na nafe-feel ko yung slight distance na yun, kasi wala na akong dilulu thoughts, parang I still feel grounded in my relationship with them. Parang ganun. Kaya parang I like the friendship that I have developed with them. Alam mo, parang it will last very long.
Para social pero okay lang.
Pero okay
Correct,
lang.
correct.
Oo. And yan. Same with you. Thank you for this wonderful gift of being you. Of being you. Thank you for that. Oo. And that's how we became like this. Being us. Feeling ko matatanggap talaga nila tayong ganito eh. Alam mo yun? As in, may enjoy nila yung
Absolutely,
nila.
actually eh.
Nakakatakot, may nakatuhog. Abs ni Vernon, bilang payat siya. Siya yung stick.
Correct.
So, yun. So, yan ang aming reunion. Family reunion of like our favorite Hallyu icons of this year. Nakakatuwa to look back. And, you know, this was a really interesting year, I must say. Alam mo yun? Alam mo yun? And families naman din are always interesting. Alam mo yun? It's not as black and white and all that.
Correct.
Alam mo yun? And with that in mind, for you guys, what makes Hallyu feel like a family for you? Like, after all that happened this year, alam mo yun, all the ups and downs, like, what made it feel like a family for you?
Life has been really, really busy. That's all we ever say. But it's been extra busy talaga. And I would say na ang Hallyu sa akin ngayon, sila talaga yung dependable family members na pag kailangan mo lang matuwa, andyan lang sila. Alam mo, bubuksan ko lang yung TV, tapos andyan na sila.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, parang, kung kailangan ko lang ng anything to relax me or to keep mind of things and stuff like that, they are still giving me that calmness and entertainment that I needed to like keep going, I guess, and very, very dependable. Hindi pa naman nila ako binibigo. So, yun yung sila yung ganong klaseng pamilya for me. And even if, I mean, I'd say that this year, madami akong, let's say, K-dramas, madami akong na-skip, hindi ko talaga napanood, and all that. Okay lang. Kasi parang, kung balikan ko sila, or, you know, when I go watch it later on, kahit na hindi na uso, or whatever, like, still good. I mean,
Yeah.
obviously, still good. Syempre, kasi filmed naman siya that way and all that. But point is, ayun, nandun lang sila. Parang ready lang sila to give you a warm hug at the end of the day.
Yeah. I love it. That's true. How about you, Pia?
Sa akin, just like 17's song, you are my home, home. Home, as in like, I just feel so much comfort still in the middle of everything. And I love, dahil TV lang naman ito at sa screens ko lang naman like, it's just so nice with everything that's happening in the world, all the craziness, and like, as somebody who has like so many people wanting like a piece of me all the time. Ito lang yung isang bagay na alam kong walang hinihingi sa akin. Bibigyan lang ako. So that's what I'm most thankful for.
I love it. For me, family is wild. Alam mo yon? Parang like, alam mo, and this year, parang feeling ko mas na-emphasize talaga yung wildness ng K-pop as a family. Alam mo yun, parang like,
Messy.
you're
Yeah.
pag family kasi connected ka na eh. Alam mo yun? Parang, pwede mo i-cut off, pero syempre, ayaw naman natin umabot sa punto na yun. And it requires a lot of understanding. And I guess, yun yung parang feeling ko about Hallyu this year. Alam mo yun, with everything that happened this year, parang it requires a lot of understanding of them. Alam mo yun? And at the
Yeah.
same time, of myself and my relationship to this world. But, alam mo yun, and it all boils down then to the fact na I still want to be connected to this world. Alam mo yun? Na you just understand and take what resonates. Alam mo yun? Parang, para at least the connection is still there. But I'm very glad that it's not so hard then to stay connected. Na-mention natin kanina 17, di ba? And how they connect with us. And I'm glad na there are still figures in Hallyu that make us feel that way. Alam mo yon. And like even like mga shows, Culinary Class Wars, alam mo yon, yung nag-evoke ng mga ganung klaseng feelings from us that inspires us, alam mo yon, and all that. So I mean, we've all talked about how kind of bleak K-drama has been this year, but I'm still glad that there are still shows naman din na nakakapagpabuhay pa rin sa atin hanggang ngayon.
Correct.
And we just have to, I guess, be patient na hopefully they get out of this rut with K-drama. Next year, hopefully, is gonna be a good year for them. So, yun. Exciting.
Here.
Yes! Here. Here
Correct.
to Hallyu and family. And of course, bago ang lahat, I would like to say na Hallyu also feels like family because I have you guys!
Oh.
Oh, alam mo yun? As always. Alam mo yun? And we are already on our 6th season. Can you imagine?
Wow.
6th season na natin. And I feel like, kung hindi pa tayo pamilya by now, ano pa ba? With all the friendship.
Pamilya.
Oo.
Even before one to Sarah.
That's
true.
Strengthened bond na lang ngayon.
Mhm.
And nadagdagan pa ng fact na we also have our Sarang Base na. So, hi Sarang Base. Nakakatuwa na nandyan kayo. And I'm so grateful that you guys are here with us today for this episode. Nakakatuwa. Okay, last question natin. Okay, for this segment. Alright. So, pinag-usapan natin ang gifts kanina, di ba? At tinanong din natin itong question na to sa ating mga Sarang Base on our social media. So my question is, which Hallyu icon of 2024 would you choose to give a Christmas present to? And what would you give them? And why? Bakit itong regalo na to ibibigay mo sa kanila?
Ang gusto kong bigyan ng regalo ay si Choi Song-chol. Mahal na mahal ko si Hoshi, pero si Choi Song-chol talaga yung icon ko for this year eh. Grabe. Grabe talaga yung pang-bias select niya sa akin buong taon.
Oo.
As in, Mr. Choi Song-chol, thank you for coming back and touring with 17. Ang gift ko para sa kanya, gusto ko siyang bigyan ng Nana Tour na kasama niya. Lahat OT13 dahil hindi siya nakasama dun sa Nana Tour last year na ginawa ni PD na. And just like what they always say sa In the Soup, no cameras, just go ahead, enjoy. I know that he wants to have all 13 members together and just do whatever they want to do, travel to a place where hopefully, kung may nag-exist pa na ganun, walang nakakakilala sa kanila, they can just enjoy their youth and be together. That's my dream gift to you, Mr. Choi Song-chol, aside from myself. I give you myself. Like this.
Kasama ka sa trip. Oo, pero nakaganyan ka the entire time.
Ganito yung outfit ko.
Oo.
Correct.
How about
Sana
you, Mon?
din, sana din dun sa Nana Tour with Song Chol. Trip na yon ay lahat sila makaakyat ng flying air balloon? Hot air balloon.
Flying balloon.
Oo, deserve
Like,
nilang
dapat
lahat.
sana lahat sila may opportunity makaakyat doon. And connected to that, gusto ko rin bigyan ng regalo si PD na ng aking
Aww.
resume. Pwede bang hire me?
The gift of Monica's talent.
Yes. PD na deserve mo ang isang Monica Sibial. Please.
Yes.
Shocks, ang dami kong mga ideas. Most of them actually vacation. Naisip ko rin yan. Like, even for IU, alam ko nagbakasyon naman siya after her world tour and stuff like that. So, I guess, sana ganun ako kayaman, no? Pero gusto ko talaga sila bigyan lahat ng bakasyon, especially for the K-pop idols. Kasi parang, pansin nyo, parang, they have to work extra hard now. Because like, you know, churning out content, like, it's, every year, hindi na enough na isa, dalawang comeback lang. Kailangan madaming iba-ibang klaseng
4.
content and all that. 4.
Mm.
Everyone talaga. So, kung kaya ko lang talaga, bibigyan ko sila lahat ng mahabang bakasyon. Yung mahabang. Pero pacing ha, dapat yan. Dapat
Hindi
may
pwedeng
matira
sabay
sa
kasi
atin.
kundi wala tayong mapapanood.
Oo, kundi mo na matitira. Pero
Oo.
gusto ko din sila bigyan ng bakasyon. And also to Yoongi,
Aww.
hindi siya physical gift, pero gusto ko talaga siya bigyan ng love life kung wala talaga siya.
Aww.
Kasi sobrang, I don't know, kilig na kilig kasi ako sa kilig niya with Dio.
Ako naman,
And-
regaluhan mo din ako ng love life.
Given na yon.
Unahin pa si Yoongi.
Pero, hindi, siguro gusto ko lang kasi siyang makita na sobrang kilig na kilig talaga. We see that often. Like, naalala ko, kinilig siya nung naging guest niya si Hoshi. Even Jin. Nalasing siya ng bongga. Tapos si Jin, parang umuwi na lang kasi out na si ate girl. But anyway, wala lang. Gusto kong makita na totoong kinikilig siya. Sana meron talaga. Siyempre, ang dami naman nating hindi alam. Pero, ayun. And then, sana in return, bigyan ako ni yung G ng bag. Wow.
Wow.
From
coach?
Endorser siya ng coach, di ba?
Oo, from coach. Dapat tumingin ka ng
Char
bag sa
lang.
iba.
Kaya nga, wag naman
sa
yung coach.
Vaseline,
Kaya mo
ganon.
nang bilhin yun.
Oo.
Doon tayo sa
Because
BTS
I
humingi
like
ng
Coach
bag.
now.
Louis-
Because Coach,
Louis Vuitton.
I've been very, very, and I'm also happy with them because like they're a little bit, not sustainable, but they're a little bit nicer with like their production and pricing and all that. So parang hangang-hanga ako sa Coach kasi ngayon. So,
Monica
okay
as a
na ako
Gen
doon.
Z.
I know, right?
Ayan. Ako, isa lang bibigyan ko this year. Kasi parang, siya talaga yung, parang one of the bigger highlights talaga of my year. Aside from 17 is my cousin RM.
Si Kuya
Si Kuya
Jun.
RM, oo. As in talagang, his album talaga is just, that's literally one of the best albums I've heard from K-pop ever. And, ang iririgalo ko sa kanya ay isang saxophone ulit. Kasi I think he deserves more. Like, I
So,
think
dalawa na yung ipa-play niya.
correct.
Sabay.
Dalawa na i-play niya sabay. And I think kaya niyang gawin yun. Kasi si RM siya.
Feeling ko
Alam mo
rin.
yun.
Oo.
Feeling ko rin.
Parang yun. And kasi gusto ko, natutuwa ako na parang, I think he's really opened up this year. Not just with this album, but as himself. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
With all this,
That's true.
saxophoning and all that. So, really excited for him to come back next year. So, be with us. And hopefully by then, hindi ko na siya pinsan.
Tama.
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 Correct. Ayun nga, as I mentioned kanina na parang, yun nga, we are on our last episode for this season, and we are coming back next year. So, quick thank yous na lang siguro for all the people who were with us this season and this year, actually. This year was really wild. Alam mo yon, parang medyo napiga kami ng slight. Pero alam mo yan, but I feel like we still do what we do because we love what we do. We love each other. And we love you guys, our Sarang Base. So, we're really thankful
And we
na...
love 17.
And we love 17. Babalik pa rin talaga sa kanila forever. So, yun. So, nagpapasalamat kami talaga na nandyan kayo, na sinusuportahan kami at tinatangkilik kami. So, babalik kami next year, guys. Kaya, huwag niyo kaming bibitawan. Okay? You can come back to our older episodes. Kung hindi niyo pa narinig, ang dami-dami na noon. Nasa ano na tayo? Episode 112 for this one.
Wow,
Sakto,
sakto.
12
For
pala,
12 days
no?
of Christmas.
12 days of
Correct.
Christmas. Ganun, oo. How about you guys? Any last thank yous?
Me, I want to, I don't think I was ever able to say it, but this year, sorry, naisip ko lang kasi kanina, kasi nakita ko yung post na, Taeyong's dog died, si Yontan.
Yeah, I
didn't
Oh my God, you didn't know?
Just
But
today?
yeah,
Oh my
he
gosh.
crushed- yeah,
He just
so
posted about it today.
He just posted it about it today. So we don't know when he really passed. And I realized, oh shit, di ko pala nasabi sa Sarang Base. Wow, nawala din this year sa akin si Greg. So, in our, in our,
Ang hirap na may odeng ka sa harap. Ang absurdo.
I know. Sobrang matatawa sa akin si Greg pag nandito siya. But anyway, Greg has been a presence kasi minsan narinig siya at minsan narinig niyo ako nagagalit sa kanya. So yeah.
naisip ko lang yun. And like, wala lang, on the last episode of the year, realize ko na, damn, I miss her presence. Because usually when I record, nandiyan lang siya. I mean, if she's not bothering me, she's just there in the corner. Minsan watching. Actually, whenever she barks, it's usually because it's every time I get excited. So, yun nga yung joke namin eh. Parang, she gets really, really rowdy because she wants in on the fun. So, ayun lang. I'm sure if you guys have been here since day one or later on, sa ibang contents din, nandun si Greg. So, ayun, I just wanted to say thank you, Greg. I really miss you. And, oh. Ayun lang. Sorry, I got so emotional.
No! We really miss Greg as well. I mean, and alam mo yun, parang she is a presence. She was a sticker. We gave out Greg stickers because she is the unofficial fourth member of One to Sarang. Alam mo yun.
Yeah, and when we have meetings there in your house, she's always there. She always wants to, may opinion siya sa mga pinag-usapan natin lagi.
Like mother, like daughter. May opinion. Ayun. And sobra hugs, Mon. I mean, it's gonna be
Big hugs.
It's gonna be okay. Oo.
Yeah, I'm sure he's fun. Sana ma-meet niyo si Yontan.
Oo. Sana ma-meet niyo si Yontan.
Shit.
Yeah.
Ayun lang. So, nawalan ako ng scallion. Ay, hindi pala. Earphone ko pala
Earphone
siya.
pa. Oh,
But yeah, I just want to say thank you aside from our Sarang base and of course you two. I'll always love you guys and always be grateful. So there.
Yun.
Useful din to
Oh, nakatago. Sobrang absurdo din yun. Oh, hugs. How about you, Pia?
The heart too. Well, first, thank you sa inyong dalawa. Thank you, Monica. Thank you, Chansey, for opening up every week, for having this space where we can all be vulnerable together, and for being for having that courage to share that as well with our Sarang base. Like, we always tease each other as mga yan na parang si Monica iyakin, si Trency iyakin. But like, those are the moments I feel like na are treasured because dami nangyayari. So parang kailangan din yung mga moments na ganito. And I'm also thankful for our Sarang base. I hope that you're also able to find comfort and you know that this space is always safe for you guys. Always just reach out to us. We'd always be happy to do anything to be that person for you, to hold that space for you for anything that is Hallyu. Thank you, Hallyu. Thank you. Ano sabihin ko? Thank you din pala sa pamilya ko na pinapayagan din akong gawin ito habang natutulog sila. Ayun na lang siguro. Thank you din sa mami at saka sa daddy ko nung wala kaming internet. Nung nag-move in ako, doon ako nagre-record. Salamat.
Thank you,
sa free
family.
internet. Thank you, family.
Grabe. I really felt talaga the familyness of this app. Ayun. And I hope na parang tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang suporta nyo sa amin next year. Alam mo yan? I mean, even if you don't interact with us, we know that you're there. But, I mean, it's just extra special if you do. Alam mo yun? Just, and, I mean, also, like, really talking to you, like what we did in our first episode for this season. So, reach out lang, bilis. I mean, we want to be vulnerable with you guys in this very insane world that we have. So, yun.
And sorry, hindi ako nakapagsabi na I love you, Monica, I love you, Chansey, I love you, Sarang base.
Of course. I love you
too,
guys.
Pia. Love you, Monica. Love you, Sarang base. Love you, 17.
I love you, Dino.
I love you, Choi Song Chol, love you, Hoshi.
DK, I love you so much.
Sungkwan.
Oo.
You're shifting my heart.
Oy, grabe. Wala nang Dino. Ni isang mention. Anong nangyayari?
Minsan talaga,
Oh my God.
tinutukso ko ni Sungkwan. Ano ba yan?
Oo. Nakakaloka. Grabe. Okay. So, ayun. We are just so happy that you guys are here with us. Sobrang saya. This is our last episode once again for this season. Kita-kita ulit tayo next season, and it's gonna be our 7th episode. Wow! 7 is
Seventh season.
7 is such a great number. So, para sa mga nakikinig ito on the way to a Christmas party, huwag po kayo masyadong kakain na madami, baka ma-empacho. Sa mga nasistress na over their gifts, okay lang. Mag-relax, ganyan. Alam mo yun, this is gonna be a great, great, great Christmas. So, once again, we are One to Sarang. You guys can follow us on our socials. We are on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. And if you are enjoying all our content, we'd love, love, love your support. Yun na lang ang Christmas gift nyo sa amin. Please hit that follow button and give us a 5-star review on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. Your feedback helps us grow and brings more amazing content your way, especially in 2025. Abangan ang mga content na yan. Yes! So, to our listeners, our beloved Sarang Base, our beloved 17, thank you talaga. You are the best. Go Mawo, Chegoya, and Sarang Hey!
Sarang hey!
Merry Christmas!
Congrats sa mga nanalo sa raffle, pati sa raffle namin.
Yes! And sa mga nandito pa at nakikinig, meron pa kaming special performance for you guys. This is us singing I Don't Want a Lot for... Ano ba yung pangalan ng song?
All I want for
All I Want
Christmas.
for... Okay. Here is One to Sarang singing All I Want for Christmas while taking off their costume. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, go. I don't
want a lot for Christmas.
There is this one thing I underneath the Christmas tree. Want you for my own movement. You can never know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. Merry Christmas, guys.
Yeah, I do believe.
Uh-huh.